To restore data from the Samsung Cloud backup on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, we need to go to the settings. In settings, we need to scroll down until we find accounts and backup over here, and then let's choose it. And then we can pick restore data option from the Samsung Cloud section. Then over here, we should be able to find all backups that we have made on Samsung Cloud. So let's choose this one in my case. Here we can choose what we want to restore. So we can select exactly what we need to restore. We can also tap over here in the top right corner in order to delete backups. But if you want to restore, then press restore over here. Wait a couple of seconds, and depending on the size of the backup, soon you should get everything restored. Press done, and that's pretty much it. Now, after the backup is done, you can delete your old backup in order to clean up the storage space on Samsung Cloud. And you can also do that later by yourself. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!